It's definitely the container. 47 degrees, 02 minutes west.
Zooming in on the bathymetric data now. The anomaly warning is still active.
Umbilical connected. Pressure checks complete. Copy that. Helmet secure. Comms check. Loud and clear. The team conducts a close inspection of the container's integrity. The corrosion is extensive, but the seals appear intact. The structural integrity looks compromised near section gamma. Confirmed, the stress fractures match the schematic on the tablet. Securing the massive forged steel chain is the critical first step in retrieving the valuable cargo hidden deep inside the container.
Alpha Team, confirm balloon stabilization on your end.
Echo Lead, stabilization confirmed. Proceeding to secure main shackles. The corrosion around the locking bars is severe. Scan confirms deep pitting. Recommend stabilization before we attempt the lift.
Hook is coming down. All clear on the left. Tension secure on this side, ready for the lift.
Hold tension. Easy now.
Coming down slow, watch the left side.
Confirmed contact. Secure the load.
Keep it coming slow, watch the clearance on the ramps.
All restraints secured on this side. How is yours looking? Lock tight, Cap. Ready for transport.
All right, bring it back slow. Little more. And hold it right there.
Rescued from the depths, this Mercedes-AMG ONE arrives at the workshop. The saltwater damage is extensive, requiring a total frame-off restoration.
As you can see, the salt water has aggressively attacked the aluminum and the carbon fiber weave here. It's extensive.
Gentle brush strokes reveal the Mercedes iridium silver paint beneath thick layers of dry seaweed and barnacles.
A gentle low-pressure pre-rinse carefully washes away decades of ocean contamination and grime from the delicate hybrid powertrain.
These bolts are completely seized. We have to work them slowly.
Carefully, the technicians begin removing the heavily damaged dashboard of the AMG ONE, exposing decades of underwater corrosion and rust. The legendary AMG ONE, now reduced to this. Extensive rust and corrosion flakes fall continuously from the oxidized steel reinforcements.
Ready? Lift slowly.
I'm getting 0.5 millimeters on the seat mount.
Confirmed. The corrosion has spread deeper into the reinforcement areas. This section is completely compromised. The caliper reading is stable, but this specific pit here exceeds the depth tolerance. Yes, I see it now that you've highlighted it. That section will require reinforcement.
The curvature matches the rusted panel exactly. The tolerances look good. We are ready for the next stage. The forged steel crankshaft of the AMG ONE is slowly guided into the main bearing journals, coated in premium assembly lubricant. With the final fasteners secured, this F1-derived V6 hybrid powertrain is ready for installation.
Coming down slow, watch the alignment pins line up. Got it. Looks good here.
Torque sequence underway, mounts 1 through 3 complete. Alignment confirmed, attaching the primary harness now.